Hi, I'm Jean, founder of Miss A. As you know, we started Miss A about 5 years ago. Our mission was simple: provide the best quality of beauty products at the best price, $1. Now we have millions of customers who love our products, and I believe that over the past 5 years, Miss A as a team has been successful in accomplishing this mission by changing the beauty world. Have you noticed that there's no such company like Miss A or AOA Studio in the world? There's nobody else who offers the variety and the quality of makeup that we have at our prices. Have you thought about why? It's simply because it's very, very hard to do and not really profitable enough for someone to come out and try to make a brand like Miss A. As you probably understand now, AOA products such as blenders, lashes, brushes are not so different from other popular brands in the market. This is what sets us apart in the overcrowded beauty industry. So now, what's next? We kept thinking about what else Miss A can do. Our new mission, starting in 2019, is to help change not just the beauty world, but the whole world. We want to start taking small steps with our customers through our products to help different causes that are close to our hearts. As you know, we've already launched the Paw Paw charity line, where part of the proceeds help support animal rescue shelters and organizations. And we just started a new line, which is the A+ line, helping children's education. We have a lot of products coming to both lines, as well as different charity causes that we will support this year. Any AOA product that comes out through these lines, part of the proceeds will be donated to the organizations related to the cause. Please stay tuned on our Instagram and website on our journey this year with our new mission. Now Miss A is not only just to have fun, but also something to feel good about.